Welcome to Winnerpak, where precision and innovation meet to create exceptional packaging solutions. Today, we're excited to give you an inside look at our state-of-the-art CMYK printing line featuring the Heidelberg Speedmaster. Our process begins with adding vibrant CMYK inks. These high-quality inks ensure rich, precise colors for every print job. Next, we meticulously clear the imprinting rollers. This step guarantees that each print comes out flawless, maintaining the superior quality that Winnerpak is known for. With 5 sets of Heidelberg Speedmasters working day and night, 24 hours a day, we achieve unprecedented production speeds. Our cutting-edge machines can print approximately 2 million pieces of paper in just one day. Each sheet is printed with immaculate precision and vibrant colors, thanks to our advanced printing technology and rigorous quality control. At Winnerpak, we pride ourselves on our ability to deliver high-quality, custom packaging solutions swiftly and efficiently. Our commitment to excellence ensures that your products stand out with stunning, precise packaging. Discover how Winnerpak can transform your packaging. Visit giftboxmfg.com for more information and to place your order today.